Gangsta property, Nigerian Fullbird. Yaga, what up? See, they say, me tell them, killing up a bit's not a problem. Wanna talk shit, me tell them solve it.
Applause if you're proud to be in Nigeria this time. Yeah, sorry. There's something they were saying, everybody has just been talking, but there's something a lot of people are leaving out. We are not, please, let's give a round of applause for GEJ, the incumbent Nigerian president, for the very peaceful stepping down, the very peaceful acceptance of defeat. Please put your hands together for him. I'm saying put your hands together for him, I know why. Because it's not easy, trust me. Do you know how much they spent? You know, has that thing ever, have you thought of it before? When you spend money, campaign, and you now lose. That's in campaign.
Nice. Yes, that's a play on word. We're talking about the now play on word with that too. Those of now we don't know. This guy is very intelligent.
Okay.
Talking about campaign. One thing that I love, I'll say my mind. One thing that I love, Jega is my hero, and I'll tell you the reason why. That guy, you see the way he organized everything makes sense. Everybody, for once, we felt that our voice was heard. And I tell you something, everybody, that thing that guy did, it was is very significant, because when we all die, all of us will die one day. When we die, that same system, they will apply them for heaven. God might go be the Jega. You saw the way they were presenting now. Everybody come, Vice Chancellor, now they do presentation. Come put microphone here. My name is Professor something, Vice Chancellor, so University. I was a collation officer for, that's how they were doing it. In heaven, that thing will happen. Person could not come on with list. Not everybody get angel. We all have an angel, and that angel will be your collation officer. Could just see person could just come.
Yeah, please stand.
Okay. Yeah, is it okay? Yeah. They said the mic cannot hold.
Please, can I hear you from there?
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for this.
Please go straight to your point.
Okay, sorry. My name is is it okay?
You're shouting too much.
Okay. My name is Angel Michael.
Angel Michael.
Yes, sir. I was a collation officer for Tonto DK. Yes, sir. And it was not an easy task. It was not an easy place of primary assignment and secondary, because it's not just primary assignment. So primary assignment and secondary assignment. Total number of movies 5,203.
Now that can only be in Nigeria.
Yes, Nigerian movies.
Okay.
Total number of, because at a point, I don't know, someone like advised that wrongly, so total number of songs 213. 213.
Please call it 213.
Okay, sir. Sorry. Just start again. Total number of songs 213.
213.
Total number of hits 0. Because another person, good day, well done. Thank you so much for this honor.
Please go straight to your point.
Okay,
don't have time.
Sorry. My name is Angel Bola. I had a Christian name before, but I had to take it because the person that you sent me to is not normal.
Don't blame me, just go straight to your point.
My place of primary assignment, secondary assignment, and tertiary assignment, because this person is a complex.
This serious.
Yes,
sir. You have called for backup.
Yes, sir. I was the collation officer for Terry G.
Oh my! Oh, sorry, I'm good.
Yes, sir. Total number of songs 113.
Come again?
113. Yes, sir. Total number of Igbo. What's that?
Don't say.
All right.
This is a holy.
Total number of Igbo 3,502,000. Then you go see another person, go just come out, say, hi, good day. Well done, sir. Thank you for that. My name is Angel Joseph.
Okay. Angel Joseph?
Yes, sir.
Please make your.
I was a collation officer for Mr. Femi Fagade.
Mr. Femi Fagade.
AKA Omo Baba number.
Oh, okay,
yes,
Omo
sir.
Baba number 1.
Yes, sir.
The Omo Baba number 1.
Yes, sir.
The same one.
Yes, sir. I must say that throughout my assignment, I dressed as I wore something on my face like Lagbaja because I couldn't face who I was collating.
As a
Facially, yes, sir.
I remember he has a facial. He has a facial deformity.
Oh, sir.
Are you reading from the original?
No, sir. Why? No, sir, I'm not. The original has his photograph on it, sir.
Okay, please.
Thank you.